Hey everybody, happy Monday. Tonight for dinner, we're thinking about having some chicken schnitzel cut up into strips post-cooking, adding those to some tortillas and making some crunchy chicken wraps. Alongside of those, we're going to have a little more acorn squash. Hey? And just a reminder, if you haven't picked up your copies of my 4 published works, go over to Amazon. $20 each, unless you choose the hardcover options for the poetry. We've got a collection of poetic works by Billy G, Volume 1, Volume 2. Each of those have 77 poems in them. My first cookbook by Billy G, 20 simple recipes that I make on a regular basis. And of course, Cannabis Edibles, a beginner's guide to making cannabis-infused edibles by Billy G. Everything on the cover has a chapter in the book, how to, all the way from decarboxylating your cannabis to molding it and creating it into a final product. Amazon, $19.99 each. Go get you a copy. Everything in here is a pretty good read. Thanks for your support. All right, so we got 4 chicken breast butterflied open. We're going to take my trusty culinary mallet. We're going to whack those into submission, tenderize the meat, spread out the meat a little bit, and then we're going to dip those into an egg wash and coat them with the seasoned breadcrumbs. All right, let's put our egg wash together with a little spice to it. All right, we got 3 eggs. We're going to be adding some garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and parsley. A little bit like that. A little bit like that. A little bit like that. Spicy. All right, now we're going to take our breadcrumbs, get a wide, shallow pan. That'll be to coat our chicken breasts after they take a plunge into the egg wash. We're going to coat them top and bottom, front and back, side to side in the seasoned breadcrumbs. Put them on the holding plate, get our oil going. All right, acorn squash. Take a knife, chop it right down the middle. All right, get the seeds out, dry them, put them in your garden. All right, take a fork, punch a million holes in these, all through the flesh. Try not to pierce the skin, like that. Get them on a plate. Those are gonna go in the microwave, 8 to 10 minutes. When our cooking time comes down to about 8 to 10 minutes. Now get a big pot, vegetable oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, whatever you want. Seven out of 10. All right, acorn squash has gone in the microwave for 6 minutes. And that's done. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna butter, salt it, put it back in for a few more minutes. The oil's almost up to temp. We're going to place these in one at a time, gently, slowly. All right, acorn squash, 6 minutes on high in the microwave. Now we're just going to take some butter, And we're gonna rub it all on top of the perforations that we made with the fork. Give a little bit of salt, back in the microwave for 3 more minutes. I was just informed by my wife that it's actually 10 minutes each side. So 2 sides. I disagree. But it's my wife. And she's probably right. So you can do it for 10 minutes, which would be a total of 20 minutes, which to me is outrageous. But I'm going to do it for about 10 to 12 minutes total. And it'll be edible. All right, and while that chicken's cooking away, we're going to put together our fixins. But I'm going to go inside the wraps. And I might do a small little deconstruction presentation on the plate, just so you can see what's inside the wrap, just for fun. We're gonna do mayo, honey mustard, and hot sauce on half of them, and on the other half, we're gonna do some barbecue sauce and probably a little hot sauce. Okay, and I just want to show you 3 minutes left on the 9-minute timer. That timer does not indicate exactly how long this is going to take. Just wanted to give you a little update on the beautiful cook that's happening. This will be done shortly. Maybe 9 minutes is perfect. We'll see. And this is what you want them to look like at a total cook time of 14 minutes. Perfection. I like to salt and pepper my tomatoes because there's a whole bunch of culinary combustion happening with the acidity from the tomatoes, the flavor of the tomato, the salt and the pepper with direct contact. I don't know, maybe just me. Roll them up. Happy Monday, everybody. Eat well, be well.
Huh?
See you next time.